Well, hello everybody. I wanted to make this video, or not make it, do this video with my grandson kicking balls and no doubt probably making a noise just as I decide to come outside. Anyway guys, that's my life right now with a pile of kids around and doing videos. Not a lot of quiet at this point in my life, but hey. But why I'm actually doing this video, Noah, please, no, I would like Jesse to relax a little bit, and he won't with all that major running and noise. I would like him to use the bathroom as well, and he certainly won't focus. Sorry guys, but that's very true. I mean, Jesse's very used to the kids and noise and stuff going on, but you know, outside's a different environment. They're already feeling a little bit vulnerable, and I don't need him to feel anymore. It's a little bit breezy today, and of course the sun isn't quite shining in this yard at the moment. I missed it, just missed it really, but that's okay because it's warm. It's certainly not cold at all. So what's this special video? It's a special video because I'm going to put it up tomorrow, and I don't post on a Wednesday, or upload on Wednesdays. It's slowly going. But I wanted to, because I have a very special person that I have got to know. Yes, on YouTube, and there are people that you will get to know on YouTube that you do know are special. And even though I've not met her, she sends beautiful comments to me.
We should call him a blue-tongued snake.
So supportive of me and my channel, and I love her dearly for that. And her name is Luna, and on my comments her name is space emoticon, emoticon, E-M-O-T-I-C-O-N. And I didn't realise that Luna had a channel. She has a few. She does reviews, and this particular channel, by looking, she's got sort of what introducing her, I guess. I haven't watched it all the way through because I wanted to get out and do this video. But the reason why is I want to wish her the most wonderful happy birthday. And I can't be there in person, and I'm going to spin it around so that Luna can actually see me. But I do, sweetie, I do want to wish you a very happy birthday, and I know that you are all by yourself, but I want you to know that when I wake up tomorrow, I'll know it's your birthday, and I will be putting this video up so I can wish you a very happy birthday. So all my love to you, and I know that you're all on your own. You have your lovely little snake, so spend some time with your snake. So please enjoy it, and know that I will be thinking of you on the day. So this video, Luna, is for your birthday and nothing else. Of course I have Jessie out, but it's for you. So I hope you will enjoy it. And Luna, just so for my other supporters of my channel, was adopted, and she lost her mum, and she's in her 20s. She has no other family. So for me, my channel is something, and myself is something that she looks forward to and she really enjoys and is connected to me and my videos. And if that just gives her something, then I'm so glad that I'm able to do that and be a part of her family, even though, as she said, we are worlds apart, different culture. We connect. And we connect because race, culture, all worlds apart. But race and culture does not define us as the people that we are. And that to me is what I find in Luna, is a genuinely kind and loving and wonderful person. So go over and check out her channel. And she said that she would put up a video, I hope she does, of her birthday. And I would really love to see it. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that she will. So I hope, as I said, Luna, you enjoy this. So, you know, and I wanted to get Jesse out, and I thought how wonderful. I can do two things. Get Jesse out, let him have a little crawl around before he's going to be due for his next meal, of course. And he's growing into a beautiful, beautiful boy as well. And it gives me a little bit of solitude, but with children in the yard, of course, that is my solitude. But of course, having Jesse with me, it does create that for me. So I'm very, very happy to have him out. I can still see some shed left on him from his last shed, but it's nothing, and not in areas that I'm too worried about. Certainly not on his tail and not on his head, which we've had that problem before, have we not? You've got a little bit still on the top of your neck, darling. But you don't mind, do you? Hey? You don't mind at all. Say, Mum, you just kind of picked me up and you brought me out. What's happening? But I won't just bring him out here. I will also let him have a little bit of time out when I get back inside with him today as well. But I thought, hey, let's bring Jess out and let him, stretch out.
I haven't seen Jess for a long time.
Oh, you see him all the time. He's just laying
in his enclosure, not outside.
I know, not outside. I know it doesn't live here. So of course he doesn't see Jesse coming out all the time. I do, but he doesn't. I might try and get some close-ups for you guys, so you can see him. How you doing, dude? Hey? Is it all good? You can hear the birds, but there's none really close here at all. So I'm just going to relax, guys, and let Jesse get some exercise. As you know, I love doing with them all. Just bringing them outside. I am going to be getting Tessa out Oh, wish me luck, hey? No, not really. But yes, really. It's a bit like that. Yes, no, no, no. Yes, yes. With Tessa. Oh, it's just how you got to do it with her. If I found, oh no, do I really want to, go through the getting her out? But hey, you got to. It's kind of important that I do. She'll get to know that, and she doesn't come and get me out that often, because I'm a bit of a naughty girl. And I had the lawnmower man around here, and I forgot to move Taylor's car, so hence the grass under her car is a little bit long. But it would have been nice if he'd come and banged on the door and said, "Do you want me to mow under that car?" Anyway, I do have a mower and I can start it up, and I could do that little spot. So I am not that lazy. I will mow under there because I cannot handle a patch with longer grass at all. And I really love coming out here when all the grass is nice and mowed and fresh, and the smell of cut grass, and I don't know, you just can't beat it actually. It's wonderful. Actually, gonna say actually twice. But Jessie, it's just doing Jessie. So guys, I'm going to say, take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of yourself, and Luna, have a wonderful birthday. Sending you love and hugs from me and my snakes. Ciao.